Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to be answering the question, can you apply for two Navy Federal credit cards? And the answer is, Navy Federal Credit Union has specific rules regarding multiple credit card applications. So you can apply, but there are restrictions. Navy Federal may allow you to apply for multiple credit cards, but there might be restrictions or requirements. You need to meet Navy Federal creditworthiness requirements for each card application. If you already have a Navy Federal credit card, you might need to meet specific requirements such as making on-time payments or maintaining a good credit score. When applying for multiple credit cards, you need to consider your credit score impact because of hard inquiries. Managing multiple credit cards requires responsible debt management and payment habits. Having multiple credit cards can provide benefits such as rewards, cashbacks, or travel points, but you need to carefully manage your accounts. What's the best course of action? Quite simple. Number 1, always check Navy Federal policies. Review Navy Federal's website or contact your customer service to understand their specific policies and requirements for multiple credit card applications. Assess your credit score and history to determine if you're likely to be approved for multiple credit cards. Consider your financial situation carefully to see whether managing multiple credit cards is right for you. So if you are interested in applying for multiple Navy Federal credit cards, it is essential to understand their policies and their requirements. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.